Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back. In this video, we'll be checking out some features I think should be added into Southwest Florida. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the first feature I think should be added is the feature to be able to lift trucks. And oh my gosh, I forgot to unfly myself. Let's see. There we go. Let's hop back in the truck. Alright, so the first feature I think should be added is where you can lift up your truck or whatever car, because as you guys know, there is a ride height section here in the customize section, but you can't have stock ride height, sport ride height, and race ride height. So you can only lower your car. I think there should be a feature where you can, or another button where you can lift your ride height to have a higher ride height. For example, to have your on like trucks and stuff, that would look really good. Lifted trucks and stuff, that would be really cool. But yeah, that's the first feature I think should be added. Alright, the second feature I think should be added is a mini map. I know, I think a mini map is already coming, but yeah, a mini map would be really helpful for navigating around the map. I know there is oops, wrong button. I know there are location markers, as we can see, Star Blocks, LHS Hospital, and a whole bunch of more locations. But yeah, I think a mini map would be really cool and helpful, and it just looks cool. It would probably be on the top right corner of your screen here, but yeah, that would be really cool, really nice. Yeah, that's a really cool feature I would like to see in Southwest Florida. I think they are working on it though, so yeah, that's really good. But yeah, let's move on to the next feature. Alright, another feature I think that should be added is a feature where somebody else could drive your car. I think that would be really cool, but coming along with that feature, it could be annoying if somebody just steals your car all the time. So I think another feature that should be added is where you can lock your cars, or you can change permissions for each player, maybe, so that not everybody could just hop in your car and drive off. But yeah, I think that would be a cool feature where if somebody could drive your car, that would be really cool. And yeah, locking and unlocking your car, you can unlock passenger seats and stuff, but just the feature to be able to change permissions for each player, if the feature where people who drive your car ever comes in game. But yeah, moving on to the next feature. Alright, another feature I think should be added, or thing I think should be added, is a delivery job. I think a delivery job would be really cool. For example, if somebody orders something, you can just hop into a car, not just any car, maybe a work car, with like logos on it and stuff of it, something, and just being able to drive around taking orders and delivering it to houses or places or people. That would be really cool, probably really fun, especially for role plays and stuff. I think that would be really fun and really cool to see in the game. Alright, another feature I think should be added into Southwest Florida is cruise control. I think cruise control would be really cool to see in game. But yeah, cruise control really cool if it does come in game. But yeah, let's move on to the next feature. Alright, another feature I think that should be added is maybe our radar gun for police and stuff. See how fast people are going, probably be good for role plays. See how fast people are actually going. But yeah, that's a feature I think should be added. And yeah, let's move on to the next and last feature. Alright guys, last feature I think should be added, or place I should say, is instead of just being able to customize your car with this button, I don't think this is necessary, but I think it would be cool, like a sort of garage, something like this, where you can just go in and customize your car like that. I don't think it's necessary because we already have this and this is already amazing, but I think it would just be cool to see. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. I know this video was pretty short, but yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you want to, if you enjoy the content you are seeing. But yeah, otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.